Hi, I'm Ng Yi Kiat from the JLL Logistics and Industrial team in Singapore. I'm privileged to share with you a brief overview of Singapore's logistics and warehouse sector in the second quarter of 2023 and the outlook for the rest of 2023. Singapore has over 120 million square feet of logistics and warehouse space, with a wide range of specifications to cater to the varying space requirements of occupiers. This makes up around a fifth of our total island-wide industrial stock. Despite the heightened macroeconomic uncertainties and the high interest rate environment, the performance of Singapore's logistics and warehouse sector has continued to stay resilient in the first half of 2023. Ramp-up logistics and warehouse premises are still sought after by third-party logistic players and end users seeking new or additional space for their business needs in the second quarter of 2023. We also continue to receive requirements for temperature-controlled premises, but the lack of suitable space option is contributing to a growing pool of unfulfilled requirements. This has also kept the average island-wide logistic warehouse rent on an uptrend in the second quarter of 2Q 2023, bring overall rent growth in the first half of 2023 to about 4.6%. The continued rent growth in the second quarter of 2023 and sustained investor interest for higher yielding assets in the current high interest rate environment also drove capital values up for the 9th consecutive quarter. This brought the total capital value growth in the first half of 2023 to about 5.3%. How will the second half of this year pan out? We expect demand for quality premises to continue to exceed supply, given the lack of major new multi-tenanted warehouse completions for lease until 2024. In the capital market, demand is also expected to outstrip supply, especially for quality logistics and warehouse sectors. Hence, barring any unforeseen external shocks, this is expected to keep both rents and capital values on a rising trend for the rest of this year. Before ending off, I also like to take the opportunity to share that besides logistic warehouse properties, investors are increasingly keen on acquisition opportunities involving industrial properties on non-JTC land, as they are not restricted by JTC's regulation. Most also have relatively long balanced land tenures of more than 30 years. We have already seen several transactions in the past 1 year, including Victory Centre, 2 Jalan Kilang Berat, Enterprise Logistics Centre, and KA Place, and expect more of such transactions going forward. Thank you once again for tuning in to this quarter's Logistic and Industrial Real Talk. We shall see you soon in the next quarter.